60 seconds with family correct pidgin, and it's now we dey do. And then we dey talk about the big one wey happen yesterday for inside Stamford Bridge. Chelsea versus Manchester United. These days, Chelsea fans no dey wait for match to finish. All of them don dey vex, dey comot, dey go house. Many of them don dey complain. They say this Sarri ball na nonsense. Many of them sef don dey go Twitter. They don dey go dey write different things. I don't know what you make of this one. I don't know what you think of this one. Chelsea performance yesterday versus Manchester United. Many of them no expect say dem go lose that match 2-0. This Man United team dey make small mistake, but that one no go count. Who side? Ole Gunnar Solskjaer go dey happy with the performance of him player, and players like Pogba and Ander Herrera. Them he go dey happy with those kind of performance. But people don dey ask, now time for Sarri to go make Chelsea sack Sarri. What do you think say they supposed to do at this moment? What do you think say Chelsea fans supposed to do? Many people don't say make Chelsea fans they back Sarri. Now true, or you feel say make them kick and come up for inside this Chelsea because he know the great change in style.